Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect segment to Google Sheets using n8n, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect segment to Google Sheets using n8n, start by logging into your n8n account. Once you're in the dashboard, click on New Workflow to create a fresh workflow. In the workflow editor, search for segment in the node panel on the left. Drag and drop the segment node into the workflow area. Select the action you want to perform, such as get events or send data. Next, connect your segment account by clicking on Add Credential in the segment node settings. Fill in your segment API key and any other required details to authenticate your account. After setting up your segment node, search for Google Sheets in the node panel. Drag the Google Sheets node into the workflow and connect it to your segment node. In the Google Sheets node, choose the action you would like to perform, such as append row or update row. Authenticate your Google Sheets account by clicking on Add Credential in the Google Sheets node settings. Allow n8n to access your Google Sheets data by signing into your Google account and granting permissions. Once both nodes are configured, specify the Google Sheet where you want to send the data from segment. Map the values from the segment node to the respective columns in your Google Sheets. After setting up both nodes and mapping the data, save your workflow. To test the setup, click on the Execute Workflow button in the top right corner. If the test is successful, you should see data from segment reflected in your Google Sheets. Lastly, activate your workflow by switching on the toggle in the top right corner of the editor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.